Okay, so reassembly of the Daiwa 175. Right, so you have a brass piece here. This goes near the switch, so you put that over there like that, and that's designed to interact with the switch, that little notch there. Okay, so we have a ratchet pawl, just goes on like that. There you can see that, and then a spring goes over the post and it looks like that. Right, you then got the half moon structure, sits in like that. You then want to put the handle on. So the handle has a screw on the other side, and that looks like that when it's done, and that looks like that when it's done. One last thing, there's a little spring clip goes on top of here. Okay, so you can see that now, and that's how it should look when you've got it fixed up. And you can see how it moves against the cog. The cog would be out here. Okay, your foot has 3 screws, sit either side there. Okay, real foot screws are quite stiff, so and they probably need to be too, I think. Okay, so here we have drag washer and a screw, a flat washer with a flat shaft, and then there's a little hexagonal spring gets pushed into there, and you make sure you just push it down under the recess, and then your handles go on. Now when you do the handles right home, they are going to be stiff, and they are supposed to be stiff, so don't worry about that. That's exactly what you're supposed to get. Okay, so that actually does go onto there, but it needs gluing on, and I'm not going to do it just in this video. And so I left this off last just to show you the you can put it here, or you can put it here, depending on whether you want a left-handed or right-handed reel. And it just slots into the holes like that, and there's a couple of screws that go in the back, just here and just here, and that's pretty much your Daiwa 175 reassembled. It is quite a simple reel, and quite a nice quality one too, I would think. So if you see one of these around, then pick it up. Okay folks, that brings us to the end of this little video. Thanks so much for watching folks.